도쿠도쿠 유아젓 뭔 말인지 다 알지?
반가워요 우리 친구들 안녕 플레이앤조이 함께 즐겨요 Let's go 놀아봐요 플레이앤조이
Hi PlayNJoy friends! Welcome to Joy Fairy Tale Theater. Today's story is The Little Green Frog. Now let's jump into the story. Once upon a time, there lived a green frog who always made trouble. He never listened to his mother and always did the opposite of what the mother told him. When his mother said, "Stand up," he sat down. Stand up? When his mother said, "Come here," he went away. Frog! Wake up! When his mother said, "Wake up early," the green frog did the opposite and wake up late. Wake up? 스트레스. The green frog ate the meal with his hand instead of the spoon and made a mess in the house. The next day, while taking a walk, the mother frog said to the green frog, pointing at a mountain, "Baby, you must not go to the mountain over there. There is a scary snake. You must not go to the mountain. Okay?" One day, the green frog was bored and remembered what the mother said. Although the mother told him not to go, the green frog went to the mountain. So funny! At the moment, the scary snake appeared that his mother mentioned. What is it? It's a delicious frog! Don't come! Don't come! No! No! Baby, when I die, please bury me near the stream, not in the mountain. The mother wanted her son to bury her in the mountain, where great isn't swept away despite rain. But she said the opposite because her son always did the opposite of what the mother told him. I'll follow what my mother said for the last time. Since then, the green frog cries louder whenever it rains because he's worried that his mother's grave will be swept away. No!